My name is Paulo. I'm responsible for design sampling here at JMJ. JMJ is an embroidery company which is specialized in chenille stitch. We have mostly industrial customers who work for high-end brands. They expect us to offer different techniques, new techniques. They expect us to be fast and perfect. When I saw Coloreel for the first time, it looked like magic. Seeing the colors change in the same thread was really special. I think the gradients are really spectacular with Coloreel. That's something we can replicate with normal embroidery. The gradient part is really unique. It's the perspective we have here at JMJ to join different techniques in the same design. We look at it and it looks like one, but it's really a combination of techniques. Coloreel is a really open company, I like that. They really hear what we have to say, our suggestions were really heard. It makes us feel that in the future we can even improve it better. It's really a smooth process.